People across the state getting ready for that heavy rain and strong winds. The U.S. Coast Guard warning boaters ahead of the storm. News 8's George Colley caught up with some people making final preparations in Westbrook.
We're here at Harry's Marine Repair Boatyard in Westbrook, where we saw boaters double tying down their boats, getting ready for the heavy rains and strong winds that are entering the state tomorrow.
This is the United States Coast Guard. A powerful storm will begin impact New England coastal and offshore waters.
The U.S. Coast Guard sending this warning to boaters starting early this morning.
Mariners are strongly advised to closely monitor.
The Coast Guard expects winds in excess of 50 knots and sea levels rising up to 20 feet. It advises boaters to take precautions, making sure all boats, including canoes, kayaks, and paddleboards, are securely tied down.
A little bit concerned.
Robert Shook heeded the U.S. Coast Guard warning. He decided to dock his boat rather than take the chance at keeping it anchored.
The weather forecasts, this thing's moving really fast, and it's not clear how fast it'll intensify. But this is probably the most protected spot around, so that helps.
The Coast Guard will have 5 nearshore search and rescue ships ready to go. Along with the strong winds and the rising seas, the Coast Guard is also warning people and urging them to be prepared for what could be some pretty severe coastal flooding up and down the Connecticut shoreline. In Westbrook, George Colley, News 8.